How to make photography website on Wix. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you the way of how can we do that easily. This platform is called Wix.com, and if you are new to this website, I strongly recommend you to create an account. This powerful software provides us the opportunity to create our own website in just 10 minutes. So let's get started. Click on get started right up here, and you can create an account with your Gmail. After that, you'll come to this page with all of your websites you already have. As you can see, I have 8 of them. And if you want to create a new one, in this video we are going to create photography website. We need to click on create a new site in the right top corner right up here. So we'll come to the next page where we have a couple of options. We can start chatting with AI. So according to our words, according to our prompts, Wix will create a website and we can then change something. But if you want to see some examples, if you want to manage templates, if you want to customize them, I personally recommend you to set up with our chat. So we can click on this button right up here, and we'll come to the next step where we need to select category. What type of website do you want to create? So in this case, we want to create photography website. So we have a couple of options like photographer, photography studio, photography blog, photography group. Let's say photographer. So in the future we can find more templates related with this category, and we can select the most suitable one as for us. Let's click on continue. And the next step here is preparing your dashboard. It means that it will create a structure for our website. So we'll get this easy to use interface. So firstly, we need to select what would you like to call your website. Let it be like PH World. Continue. Next step is choose the apps you'd like to add. So we have a portfolio, events, Instagram feed. I'm going to enable these things here, and also we can find more related options. So I'm going to also add videos and probably booking. So let clients schedule appointment on your site. I think it's really helpful sometimes. Let's click on continue. And now we can go to our dashboard to see steps we need to perform to get our website done. So firstly, we can connect a custom domain. We can easily do it here. So we can check, is it possible to use this one here? You can also input your own name. And then we can click on make it yours. So here you can buy directly domain only, or you can get a free domain with the premium plan by Wix. We'll discover them a little bit later. So I think that it will be easiest for you to find the most suitable option. The next thing, we need to add some projects to our portfolio. So we can add some photos there, or maybe some other things. Let's click on it. We can click on add project, and we'll be redirected, as you can see, to portfolio and then to projects. So I think it's really interesting, important to know that you can come here from the left side menu by clicking on portfolio and projects. So what kind of work are you showcasing? Nature search, portrait series, event coverage, and so on. You can select what do you need. In this case, let's select nature search. Next. We can upload it from computer, or we can import from Wix Media Manager. To make it easier and faster, I'm going to use Wix Media Manager, and let's try to find something on Unsplash, for example. Let's use this one here. Click on add. So we can add something here. Now we can click on generate projects. And in a few seconds, we can then add project title, description. As you can see, it was automatically added with an AI. You can write something by yourself. So let's click on create portfolio. So here you can edit an existing project, and also you can add a project once it was shooted by you. So just simply click on add project, and then just simply manage title, description, some basic info, and media inside, of course. So let's skip this part and let's go back to setup page. So click on setup in the left side menu. And here we have the next step, set up payment method. So if you want to receive payments, you can use these feature here, and it's really easy to interact. So we can click on set up payments, and you can see that according to your business location, you can find different payment methods. So like credit card, debit cards, PayPal, or manual payments. So it will be easy for you to set up. Just simply click on connect and follow all the steps provided. I'm going to skip this part because it's not that important sometimes. Let's see the next step, like design your website. So of course you need to create a design for your website. We only have the background now. So let's click on design site. And here we have two options, of course, generate a design with AI or customize a template. So if you know exactly what do you need, you can create a design with AI. So according to your prompts, according to your description, Wix will provide you the structure, will create brand new template for you. So you just simply need to add some information about yourself. But I'm going to click on big template because I want to see some references, to want to see some examples of how can it look like. So let's click on pick a template. And we'll come to the next page where you can see we already searched for photographer here, and you can see all the templates. We have 4 different pages, so 4 times 12, like 48 different templates for photographers. And we can select something we like. For me personally, I like to use this one here. Let's click on view. And yeah, it looks really good, pretty simple. So we can see how it looks like from mobile. It looks really good. So all websites on Wix are totally responsive for different types of devices. Let's click on edit this site in the right top. And basically we'll come to the editor where we can then edit a lot of things. So we can manage color palettes, pages, structure, elements. And I'll show you step by step how to do that. Of course, if you want to see more in-depth tutorials, you can find them on my channel. But now we are going to take a look at how to quickly interact with these stuff. So firstly, of course, you can change your color palette, your fonts inside. And in order to do that, we can just simply click on site design in the left side menu. Click on change theme, and here we have a couple of different palettes. As you can see, it changes. In my case, I'm going to use this one here. The next step is to manage pages. So here we have a portfolio, collection pages, and project pages. I'm going to delete this one here. So as you can see, we have page info, layout, permissions, and it's only like, it's not the page, it's part here. Also, we have a portfolio. So if we're going to click, we can delete it and do some other stuff. As you can see, we don't have the options to add pages, so we can go to site menu here, and then we can go to add pages. Click on add pages, and here we can find a lot of options where we can add different types like devices, projects, contact, general, landing page, 404, error, and so on. So if you want, you can add it. Also, you can manage sections. So every page contains different sections like this one here, and so on. We can add new, for example, by drag and drop, and it looks like this. So after that, we need to manage elements. Elements are inside of different sections. So we can click, we can delete, we can click on plus, we can add heading here, we can add some buttons, for example, and then we can interact with them. Every single object has its own properties, so we can find them in the top, and also for sections, we can find them in the right. So we can manage some different things like these here, 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 and here. When everything is done, we can then publish our website. So we can click on publish in the right top. And then we can see that our website was published, and we can even visit it. So we can click on view site. And in a few seconds, we can see that all changes were added. We have this project here, this blank project here. So yeah, it looks really, really good and amazing. And if you want to get some additional features, you can buy the paid plan. Of course, for photographers, you can do it even for free, but if you want to accept payments, you need to upgrade at least for some business plan. So let's open, and you can discover it from this page here. So we have Light, Core, Business, and Business Elite. So that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.